Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bread Financial, a new fintech company that's been making a lot of noise lately. I'm going to start by asking you a question. What do you think of when you hear the word bank? Most people probably think of a traditional bank, like Bank of America or Chase. But Bread Financial is different. It's not a traditional bank. It's a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans. So, what bank does Bread Financial use? The answer is, Bread Financial doesn't use a traditional bank. Instead, it partners with a number of different banks and financial institutions. This allows Bread Financial to offer a wider range of products and services to its customers. So, what are the benefits of using Bread Financial? There are a number of benefits to using Bread Financial. First, Bread Financial offers a wide range of products and services. This means that you're likely to find a product that meets your needs. Second, Bread Financial is a relatively new company. This means that it's often more willing to take risks than traditional banks. This can be a good thing if you're looking for a lender that's willing to consider your application, even if you have a less than perfect credit score. Third, Bread Financial is committed to providing its customers with a great experience. This means that you can expect to receive excellent customer service and support. So, if you're looking for a new bank, Bread Financial is definitely worth considering. Now that we've talked about the basics, let's take a closer look at some of the specific products and services that Bread Financial offers. Credit cards. Bread Financial offers a variety of credit cards, each with its own unique benefits. For example, the Bread Cashback card offers 2% cash back on all purchases. The Bread X card offers 3% cash back on dining, groceries, and gas. And the Bread Supercard offers 5% cash back on travel, dining, and streaming services. Personal loans. Bread Financial also offers a variety of personal loans. These loans can be used for a variety of purposes, such as paying off debt, making home improvements, or financing a vacation. Auto loans. Bread Financial also offers a variety of auto loans. These loans can be used to finance the purchase of a new or used car. Other products and services. In addition to the products and services mentioned above, Bread Financial also offers a number of other financial products and services, such as savings accounts, checking accounts, investment accounts, insurance, and more. Bread Financial is a great option for people who are looking for a bank that offers a wide range of products and services. It's also a good option for people who are looking for a bank that's willing to take risks and provide excellent customer service. So, if you're looking for a new bank, I encourage you to check out Bread Financial. In this video, we've talked about what bank does Bread Financial use. We've also discussed the benefits of using Bread Financial. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Bread Financial, I encourage you to visit their website or check out some of their social media channels.